Hold on to your hearts, folks. It's time for a cuteness explosion with kittens and ducklings. Listen to these tiny meows and quacks. Aren't they just the sweetest sounds ever? Kittens with their playful purrs and ducklings with their cheerful quacks are here to make your day brighter. Just imagine a fluffy kitten purring as it snuggles up next to a waddling duckling. It's like a dream come true. Their sounds are pure joy. These little ones are not just cute. They're a bundle of fun and affection. Whether it's a kitten's curious meow or a duckling's excited quack, each sound is a tiny melody of happiness. So if you need a pick-me-up, just remember, kittens and ducklings are always here to bring a smile to your face. Stay tuned for more adorable moments.